If you want to be a millionaire in 2022, then it's the time to start from today. Let's watch, how can we do that? Hello friends, welcome to Technology Crash. Content writing is one of the famous demandable skill, and people are making millions of dollars with this niche. Don't worry, if you don't have writing skills, you can hire someone else, who can write for you. You can earn money in two ways. 1. Write for others. 2. Write for your own website. Writing for others is so easy. All the way, you just need to set up your freelancing profile in any of the famous freelancing websites, which includes Upwork, Fiverr and Freelance. In these platforms, you can start as a beginner and there's always scope for it. Let me explain how it works. When someone starts freelancing, he starts at lower price of $5 per hour, but once he get famous among clients, its price increases to $10 or more. The place he was capturing as a beginner is now free for you. You can start from there at $5 per hour. Always remember, there are numerous clients who always wants writing in less price. So, that will build scope for you. If you want to build your freelancing career with content writing, please look at my freelancing video series to set up your career. The other way to earn money with content writing is blogging. Let me explain how it works. In blogging, you just need to set up a blog website for you. You can make website using WordPress, and it's so easy. The next step is to put content on it. All the way, you just need to make a list of at least 100 topics of your specialized interest. Start writing on these topics one by one and upload it on your website on regular basis. Always remember, your content should be unique and easily readable, because it will bring website traffic for you. When traffic comes on your website, you can apply for Google AdSense. Google will place ads on your blog website, and you would be able to earn from Google when someone spend time on your website. Trust me, it's the perfect example of passive income and can make you a millionaire. If you want to know how to build your blogging career, it's already explained step by step in my blogging video series. That's all for today's lecture. If you want to inquire anything, please comment it below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.